Hello. Are you juggling lectures, clinicals, and assignments, especially complex tasks like EBM write-ups, CPS cases, or QIP portfolios? This short video has 6 practical time-saving strategies to help you complete your work faster without compromising quality. This video can also apply to students in other disciplines such as human sciences working full-time while studying part-time and juggling assignments like I did. Let's get started. Tip 1. Plan and prioritize upfront first. Map out your week. Use a planner or digital calendar to list all your tasks, classes, clinical shifts, assignment deadlines, study blocks, even downtime. That way you see everything at once and avoid scheduling clashes. Then assign priorities. Which tasks are urgent or high value, like an upcoming portfolio, and which can wait. This helps you focus on what truly matters. Tip 2. Break big tasks into manageable chunks. Large assignments like an EBM review or QIP portfolio can feel overwhelming. Instead of aiming to finish it in one go, divide it into smaller steps, e.g. research, outline, write first draft, revise, finalize. Each small win builds momentum and makes the project feel more manageable. Tip 3. Work during high-focus periods and minimize distractions. Identify when during the day you're most alert, morning, afternoon, or evening, and dedicate that time for your toughest tasks, for example writing or critical analysis. At the same time, create a distraction-free environment. Silence phones, close unnecessary tabs, maybe use a focus mode. This way you get more done in less time. Tip 4. Use templates, checklists, and productivity tools. Save time by using ready-made templates for common assignment formats such as introductions, headings, citation format, and maintain checklists, for example, research done, draft ready, citations formatted, word count met. Task management or calendar apps like Trello, Notion, Google Calendar can help you track deadlines, tasks, and progress across multiple projects. Tip 5. Use short, focused work intervals plus review and adjust. Instead of long, draining writing sessions, use focused intervals, for example 25 to 45 minutes writing, 5 to 10 minute break to stay sharp and avoid burnout. After each week or assignment, reflect. What worked, what didn't? Then adjust your schedule or approach so you keep improving your workflow. Tip 6. Don't forget self-care and realistic limits. Your brain works best when rested. Make sure to schedule sleep, breaks, healthy meals, and a bit of downtime. Also, don't overcommit. Sometimes saying no, or postponing less essential tasks, is the difference between a rushed assignment and a polished one. There you have it. 6 simple, effective strategies to save time and reduce stress when writing assignments or portfolios in the health sector. Try integrating even just 2 to 3 of these into your routine, and you'll likely notice a big difference. New videos posted Monday and Wednesday morning at 10 GMT+2. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.